Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to add Microsoft Teams as a location to existing DLP policies in Microsoft Purview. I will just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Hi, I'm logged on to the portal. You need to log on to purview.microsoft.com, and to perform this task you must be assigned a role that has permissions to edit DLP policies. If you need to learn more about the permissions in the Microsoft Purview compliance portal, please go to Microsoft documentation and have the necessary permissions. Make sure that you have the proper DLP licensing for Microsoft Teams. You need to have Office 365 or Microsoft 365 license to use that feature. You need to make sure that you have set the scope of DLP protection correctly to make the use of these features as well. Now you need to how to add Microsoft Teams as a location. I will go to the data loss prevention. I'll click on my policies to see one of the policies that I created in my test environment. You need to select the appropriate tab for the portal you are using. Now, depending upon your Microsoft 365 plan, the Microsoft Purview Compliance Portal is retired or will be retired soon. Under locations, okay, you need to go one by one. You see, right? Choose where to apply the policy. You need to select Teams Chat, and I'm not getting that option to add Teams Chat and channel messages, because if I go to my policy and edit it, and if I go to the locations, this is the location, right? I am not getting an option to add Teams Chat and channel messages, right? The reason might be that these features are not enabled on my test tenant, or this feature is not enabled in my Microsoft 365 admin settings, or there would be an issue with my policy configuration. Because when I'm creating a new policy, then also I am not getting the Teams channel or messages. But this is the place wherein you will have to enable Teams chat and channel messages to set that location to configure under a DLP policy. And in next video, we'll see how we can define a new DLP policy for Microsoft Teams, obviously by selecting that option, and recommend a DLP policy structure so that our documents are protected until DLP scans and mark them as safe to share. Okay. I hope this was informative for all of you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. And I'll see how can I fix this. If not, make sure that you turn on the proper licensing in your 365 tenant, and then do the POC before implementing it in production. Thank you. Have a good day.